Hey you guys, if you are interested in making this delicious spicy crockpot crab, then keep on watching. First, we're going to start off with 2 sticks of butter. We're going to have our crockpot on high and add them in and let them get melted and soft. Cover that lid, and now we are going to chop up a sweet onion. We're going to cut it lengthwise so that it is in longer strips. You don't want small squares because it's kind of hard to pick up when you're ready to eat. We're just going to slice those really thinly. I usually cut the whole onion, and these are the sizes that we have here. So we're just going to add these into the crock pot with the melted butter and stir them in really well and mix it really good, and then we're going to put the lid back on so that they can simmer and get soft. That lid's on there really securely, and next we're going to chop up our garlic. We're going to just chop this pretty coarsely. You can use as little or as much as you like. I did cut up a little more than this here in the clip, but I'm going to just cut this garlic up really coarsely and add it in. All right, we're still going to add this into the crock pot, stir it around, and make sure you put that lid back on there securely and let the garlic get soft as well. We're going to let this simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. Add your garlic powder, onion, paprika, cayenne pepper, and Old Bay hot. All right, so about a tablespoon of each. We're just going to add those in and stir it really well. Next, we're going to add the Samyang chicken sauce. It's very spicy. You get it on Amazon. If you don't have this, don't even make your food. Put it back in the freezer. Wait till you've got this hot sauce because this is the key. All right, so I'm going to add about a tablespoon, maybe two to this. It depends on how hot you like it. But this is the key ingredient that'll set you apart from any other crab boil that you've ever had before. Trust me on this. So now you see everything is simmering. It looks so good. This is the key to any crab boil that'll set you apart from everybody else. Now we're going to add in our crab. We're going to knock the chill off with some hot water. And we're going to just put this into the crock pot. And we're going to let this cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. All right, so we've got our crab in there. It's covered and sealed. Let it cook for about an hour. Then I like to add a little bit of cayenne, a little bit of paprika and Old Bay just on the top of the crab, and I'll mix it around and get all those juices from the bottom on there as well. Lastly, I'm going to coarsely chop some fresh parsley, and this is going to give it a really fresh flavor. I'm going to put that into the crab, put it on top, mix it all around, let it get down in there, and cook for maybe about another 10-15 minutes. And here is the result. This is so amazing. I hope you try. Bye.